Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Balamaitrin. Today I am presenting phonic sounds of alphabets. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
S
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you like it, then like it. If you love it, then subscribe it. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.